Alright, y'all, we're gonna get into these braids. Oh, they rough. Like, I done had these scalp braids in for about, like, I want to say 2 months. My hair has grown a good amount. All I do when I have my scalp braids in is I make sure I oil my scalp, and every 2 to 3 days I mix oil with Osmosis conditioner, and I massage that into my hair and my scalp so I won't have dry hair when I take them down. So I can't wait to see how much of my hair has grown. Don't talk about me, about my parts. I was tired when I did these dang on braids. And so I'm just showing you like my little edges or whatever. Because last year when I had braids on one side, my edges really thinned out. There's a whole nother video for a whole nother topic right there. But it's filling back in the more that I use it, and I'm just showing like all the build up. Like, yes, of course you're gonna get build up when you put product in there, but you need to put product in your hair while you're protective styling. So just detangle it, and now I'm just checking the temperature of the water. Use like warm to hot water when you're shampooing. And I start off by getting all of the hair wet, and then I like to water wash. Water washing is a good way to shampoo your hair as well, but that's for a whole nother video. So I'm using Scalp Detox by Uneke. So we're gonna get a good amount of that, and we're gonna make sure we're rubbing it in like all around the perimeter first, and then we're gonna try to squeeze it all the way through. I needed a little bit more, as y'all can see, and then I'm gonna wet my hair so it can move a little bit better. So yeah, make sure y'all really rubbing, like scrubbing the hair, like really just getting in there. Cause you want a clean scalp, you want clean hair, period, or your silk press. So like a lot of people like to just put the shampoo on the scalp and they're like, oh, it's gonna run down the rest of the hair. No, if that person has like really oily hair, and then make sure you are combing it through. I'm using one of the shampoo brushes that I sell on my website. Y'all can go check that out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. But make sure y'all are like getting that shampoo all through to the ends of the hair, like rubbing it through, combing it through. Because if you are a person that really moisturizes your hair, put products in your hair, and take care of your hair, or if you just have oily hair, period, letting that shampoo just run down is not going to do anything. Like, you're still going to have some residue on it. So now we're going to use Sensations Tea Tree Shampoo. And this is going to help with like dandruff and dry and itchy scalp. So I don't have dandruff anymore because I did the apple cider vinegar trick. My video should be still up. If y'all are OG, when I posted it years ago, y'all already know what I'm talking about. But I'll do an updated video on that, like how to completely get rid of your dandruff. But you have to be consistent with it, and then after a while, you won't have to do it at all. But my scalp does itch, and my hair can get dry. That's why I use that. So now we're following up with Care's moisturizing shampoo. Like, I really like this shampoo, and I always use it last. And make sure y'all get the shampoo in the middle. Like, a lot of people just do the back and the front and think it's gonna squeeze through. No, you need to separate that and get it in the middle. So this shampoo is very moisturizing. After I use it, my hair is like soft and it's like super manageable. You know, after you rinse out a shampoo and your hair feels kind of dry, that shampoo was either like a clarifying shampoo or the shampoo had like a lot of sulfates in it. But this one still had my hair soft like after I got done. So yeah, y'all see I got shampoo everywhere. You want to make sure you rinse all that shampoo out. My head was hurting like bending over this sink, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, I had to go ahead hit up my ear. Y'all know I love y'all if I'm doing this video like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna with Olaplex, the 4-in-1. I ended up skipping a step. I was supposed to use the number 3 first, but yeah, I'm using this. This is gonna be my deep conditioner, and I'm just combing it through. and then I'm just gonna add the number 3. The number 3 is actually a pre-treatment, but if y'all been watching my videos, y'all know when I did this the first time, I did the steps backwards and it worked for me, so I never did it the right way anymore. So I just deep conditioned for 30 minutes and rinsed it out. Now I'm gonna go in and blow dry using my heat protectant and Olaplex number 6 bond smoothener. So I like using the round brush because it grips the roots a little bit better. It gives the hair a little extra shine, body flow, and it helps me get it straighter better. So I like to stretch out the piece first and chase it with the blow dryer. Then I go in with the round brush. Like, see how I just did it like that. And then I just keep on going through. So like I feel like my hair has gotten like a little bit thicker because I remember the first time I did a silk press, it was kind of thin to me, and a girl at the shop, she was like, "Oh no, your wrist technique just got better, so you was able to get it flatter." Well, I guess, but now the silk press that I'm doing now, I feel like my hair has gotten super thick. But people tell me my hair is thick anyway. But anyways, so yeah, make sure y'all keep detangling it all the way through. Like my hair was getting dry at the top, so it was tangling. Now I'm gonna go in. If y'all a real OG, then y'all know about Old Faithful. She died, so I had to go get a replica of her, and yeah, I love it. I love this brand. I was using the Kiss brand at first, and it really wasn't hitting on them. But this is the Andis brand, and when I say this thing really gets hot, it gets the job done. So I was on live at the same time. I was talking about I'm doing a free wig giveaway. I hope I had this video posted in time so y'all be able to see it and enter. It'll be ending on the 24th. All you have to do is follow my Instagram and follow my YouTube. And yeah. But so I did the perimeter, I hot comb the perimeter. Now I'm gonna go through hot comb like the middle and all that good stuff. So like this was one of the first reasons like I had went viral. I was hot combing my hair on TikTok, and I just woke up like when I didn't even woke up like before the end of the day, like I had 1,000,000 views, and I was just like, what the fuck? Oh, and they were asking me what products help thicken my hair, so I was telling them mixing oil with Aussie Moist, and then I used this product called Follicure. I'm not consistent with Follicure, but it's something that I use. So y'all see it? Y'all see the shine? Like, stop playing. That's not even half of my head, so yeah, I feel like my hair has gotten thicker. So I like to pour out like a small section, and then I like to go over my hair one time. When you blow dry the hair good, I mean, I go over the roots twice most of the times, but the ends usually like one time. All that extra heat is really not needed. So yeah, making sure it's combed out, hit up them roots, and when you flat iron, go straight down. Don't pull it outward. I know if your hair is long and your arms are tired, you're gonna want to go outward or any other way so it's more comfortable for you. But go straight down. That would have like a flatter press. You don't want to do all that. I didn't do that one right, so I had to go back and do that. But you don't want to have to like go over it, or you're like, why is my press not flat? How I want it to be flat? Like y'all see that? Yeah. But yeah, make sure you're going straight down. Don't pull it in any other direction. So yeah, I was trying to get a half and half picture. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Make sure y'all check out the link check shirts. I also sell those on my website. Get y'all a link check shirt so you can track your progress. You do not have to straighten out your hair to have a lint check shirt. You can have your hair curly, all of it. You can see what length your hair is curly, stretch it out. Like, you do not always need to press out your hair for a lint check. So y'all can see like a better view of me straightening. This the side sections I do on my hair. You have to know density compared to heat. So density compared to heat. I have a medium density on my head. I say that my hair is not thick, it's average. So I get like small to medium size sections. So medium sections, and I flat out my hair. If my hair was thinner, I would get medium to large sections and flat out my hair. If my hair is thicker, I would get thin, small sections to flat out my hair. And with the heat wise, I use like 410 on my hair. Somebody whose hair is thicker, you can use a higher temperature. If their hair is thinner, then you want to be like, you could probably do normal, but I like to do like 380 if their hair is thinner. Because you don't need to do small sections, so you don't need all that heat, because their hair cannot take it. It's already fragile, so it's already going to do what it's told. It's very easy to manipulate because it's thin. So yeah, I don't have that much left. By like 2 more pieces I'm gonna do. Snatch that root up. You can tell I'm over this. Look what I'm seeing. But make sure y'all go to the site, get y'all lint check shirts, get your scalp brushes. Make sure your scalp is really scrubbed and really clean. So I'm just going back over. I ain't really grip them how I want it. And when I wear my silk brushes, since I don't really wear my hair pressed out like a lot or whatever, I don't care where my part is. Like, I like to wear it just out. I don't sleek my edges. I let my edges do what they want to do. Like, because this is a rare moment for me. Like, I don't always press my hair. So I'm just combing it out. It's like, ooh, and y'all, my hair could have been longer than this, to be honest, but last time I did not get a trim and I had to like chop it. So y'all probably gonna be like, this is the same length that it was. It would have been way shorter if I didn't do what I needed to do. But I gotta wait till my friend, she coming to the shop later on. Y'all gonna see in the video, and she gonna cut my ends for me. Didn't really need that much cut or whatever. Y'all see. But it's best to take the necessary precautions. I just needed like half-inch cut.
Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.